Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. This is your Sathyamoorthy sir. Let's crack it. Today's topic, area integrals part 2. In the previous video we have started the area integral. So we have discussed about the concepts as well as types of area integrals in the previous session. In this session, previous questions from the area integrals we are going to discuss. Yes, before moving to the part. Right, the price increase will be there in the Unacademy platform. July 1 onwards there will be a price hike. July 1 onwards the price hike coming soon, and 2 days more, right? So try to take the subscription in the GATE ESE platform to beat the price hike. Use the code Moorthy536 to subscribe into the platform. And mechanical engineering batch course, the complete batch course for mechanical engineering, the complete course in English, Spark GATE 2022, Web for GATE 2023, complete mechanical engineering syllabus for the GATE 2022 as well as for the 2023. Already the course started June 16. Ravin Kulkarni sir, Devendra Singh Negi sir, Vivekanandan sir and myself. We four together handling the complete course for the mechanical engineering. So use the referral code Moorthy536 to enroll into the batch. The one more batch, so already started June 23rd. So we have started the course, right? 23rd June, and by the Akash Tyagi sir. And one more code, batch B, Lakshan and Arohan, and use the code Moorthy536 to join to the batches. Okay, right. Engineering Mathematics Calculus Area Integrals Part 2. So what's area integral? The area enclosed in between the curvatures y is equal to f of x, and the x-axis and the ordinate x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by, and area formula is equal to integral of a to b, y into dx is equal to integral of a to b, y is equal to a f of x. So this is the substitution we are doing into dx. The area enclosed between the curve x is equal to f of x and the y axis, and the ordinate y is equal to a and y is equal to b is given by. In case they are giving the x is equal to f of y, then we need to identify the y limits. That means in this first one, the area in between the given curvature as well as x axis. Second category, the area enclosed in between the given curvature as well as y axis. So the three types are the type 1, type 2 as well as type 3. All these three types we have discussed from its basics in the previous video, area integral part 1. So kindly watch that video to get the clarification on types of area integrals and the basic formulas. Now directly we are moving to the previous year questions, then you will get it. Area bounded by the parabola 2y is equal to x square, and the line x is equal to y minus 4 is equal to. So here it's area in between the two regions, right? Two curvatures. Now the formula, either we can take x axis or y axis, any one of the axis we can take. So here I am going to consider it as x axis, then it's very easy. Shall we start x or y, whatever it may be. So we can take it's x, right? Okay. Listen. Now the formula, area is equal to integral of it's a to b. If you want to identify in terms of x variable, y1 minus y2 into dx. What about the value of y1 here? From the first equation, y1 is equal to it's x square divided by 2. Yes. Second one. What about the y2? y2 is equal to x plus 4. x plus 4. So these are two conditions. Now we need to substitute y in terms of x. Any one of the equation y in terms of x into the second one. Now from the second one, here I am going to substitute y into the first equation, so we can get it. From this equation, here y is equal to x plus 4. Now substitute y is equal to x plus 4 in the second equation. So 2 into it's x plus 4, it's equal to x square. The limits we need to identify, right? While substituting it, what we are getting, it's 2x plus 8, it's equal to x square. Now simplify the equation. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. While multiplying the two numbers, it's minus 8. While adding the same two number, it should be minus 2. So what are the numbers? Yes, it's x minus 4 into x plus 2. Is it right? And if you multiply the minus 4 as plus 2, it's minus 8. While adding the same two numbers, minus 4 and plus 2, it's minus 2. It's a shortcut method, already we have discussed in the linear algebra itself. Okay, listen. Now x is equal to minus 2 comma 4. There are two values, right? Now substitute these conditions to identify the solution for this question. The integral area is equal to, it's minus 2 to 4. y1 is equal to x square divided by 4. y2 is equal to, it's x plus 4 into dx. Now integrate it. While integrating it, x cube divided by 12 minus x square divided by 2 minus 4x. Now we need to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit 4, lower limit minus 2. Is it clear? It's not clear, right? It's hiding. Okay, we will complete in the next page so you can get it easily. Now integrate it. So what integration we need to do? The area is equal to, yes, here area is equal to minus 2 to 4 x square divided by 2 minus x minus 4 into dx. While integrating it, it's equal to x square divided by 4 or 2. Oh, sorry, actually it's x square divided by 2, not 4. X square divided by 2. Actually here y1 is equal to x square divided by 2 only. Okay, now x square divided by 2. While integrating it, what we are going to get? Now it's x square integration equal to x cube divided by 2 into 3 is equal to 6 minus x square divided by 2 minus 4x. Now substitute the upper limit 4, lower limit minus 2. Okay, now the value. Now substitute the 4. 4 cube is equal to 64 divided by 6 minus 16 divided by 2 minus 16 minus lower limit minus minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8 divided by 6 minus to the whole square, it's plus minus 4 divided by 2 minus into minus, it's a plus 8. Now do the simplification. It's very easy one, right? It's equal to, area is equal to 64 divided by 6. So we can cancel with the 2, right? It's 32 divided by 3 minus 8. Directly we can write. Okay, fine. Here 32 divided by 3 minus minus 8, it's minus 16, it's minus 24, 8, 24. Now minus of minus, now we can take, it's minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 2 plus 8. It's plus 6. It's plus 6. Now substitute. 32 divided by 3 minus 24 minus 4 divided by 3 plus minus. It's not plus. We have to multiply the minus inside. Here it's plus, there minus. Okay, fine. Now it's minus 4 divided by 3. Now minus of minus, it's a plus. Plus 4 divided by 3 minus 6. It's equal to 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3 minus 30. 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 30 is equal to minus 18. So minus 18, we need to identify the area, right? So while identifying the area, we are not considering the sign, only the magnitude. It's 18. 18 square units is the right answer. It's a civil 1995 question, 1 mark question. Area and areas. The answer is option B. 18. Is it clear? Yes, I'm handling the complete engineering mathematics in the plus platform, Unacademy plus platform. It's common for all department. Try to subscribe into the platform. There you can get the complete clarification on all the topics. So I'm explaining each and every topic from its basics. Okay, next one. Now, the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. X square is equal to y. So now here it's there are two lines they are giving, right? So draw the graph. You will get some clarification here in the second question. Now it's a parabola, right? So while doing the parabola equation, x square is equal to y. Is it clear? Now x is equal to 4. Now the line, so this is the x is equal to 4 line. X is equal to 4. Here it's y is equal to 0. So we need to identify the area bounded by this curvature. So this is the area we need to identify. What they are giving? The area bounded by the two lines as well as one curvature they are giving. So this is the area we need to identify. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now the limits, what limit we need to take? X limit or y limit. So this is what we need to identify, x limit or y limit. So we need to identify the x limits here. We can't take the y limits directly here, right? So here x is equal to 0 to here x is equal to 4. So this is the limit we are taking. So we can identify the value directly from the given line as well as curvature. Okay, I'm giving it, listen. Now the solution for this question. Now I'm going to give you the area. Its limit is equal to 0 to 4. X, in terms of x we need to substitute. Y is equal to the first one. What about the value? Y is equal to x square minus, what about the value of y? Y is equal to 0. Another y value. They are not giving the y, right? Only the x value is there. Y is equal to 0. So this is what we need to identify. Now I am giving it minus y is equal to 0 into dx. While integrating it, it's x cubed divided by 3. Substitute the value, it's a 0 to 4. It's 4 cubed divided by 3. It's equal to 64 divided by 3. It's option B. Right. Here option B is the right solution for this question. area bounded by the curvature y is equal to x square, and the lines x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Next one. Shall we discuss the next one? Guys, in case you are having any doubt regarding this point, so immediately ping your doubts here so I can give you the clarification. Yes, the one more very important question. It's a civil engineering 2016. Okay, it's available in the mechanical engineering, civil engineering as well as electrical and electronics. It's common for all area and average. Right, now the GATE, it's 2016, set 1, 2 mark question. It's a civil engineering previous year question. Now the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Students, in case you are having any doubt, so kindly ping your doubt immediately here so I can give you the clarification for your queries here in the live session itself, so you can get the clarification. In the previous video, the types of area integrals and the formulas, 3 types as well as, and where we need to use the each type of formulas, and everything we have discussed in the previous video, part 1, area integrals part 1. So kindly watch that video also, get the complete clarification on the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Now, area of the region bounded by the parabola as well as straight line. There are two things here. So we can take either in between the x-axis or in between the y-axis. Either x-axis limit or y-axis limit. Right. So the which limit gives the easy simplification format. This is what we need to decide. Now if you substitute y is equal to x square plus 1 in the next one. In terms of x we can substitute. In terms of x we can substitute. Now substitute y is equal to yes, here y is equal to x square plus 1 into the first equation. Now x plus here x square plus 1 is equal to 3. Now take this value, x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right, so this is what we are taking. Now identify, while multiplying the two numbers, minus 2. So here it's x plus 2 into x minus 1. So the multiplication of plus 2 and minus 1, it's equal to minus 1, minus 2. While adding the same two number, it's plus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 to plus 1. Now we need to identify the value of y1 and y2. What will be the formula? So you can get the clarification. Right. What about the formula for the area integral? Area. Now I am going to give you area is equal to integral of a to b. It's a plus 8 divided by 3. Plus 8 divided by 3. Now do the simplification. It's very easy method, right? Now coming to the simplification, area. Now the area is equal to fine. Now simplify the equation. While simplifying it, what we are getting? It's a minus 1 divided by 2. Yes. 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, it's 3 divided by 2. It's 1.5. 2 minus 0.5 is equal to 1.5. 3 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 8 divided by 3. Now add all these values. While adding all these values, what we are getting? 3 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 6 minus 8 divided by 3. Right, minus 8 divided by 3. Minus 8 divided by 3. While doing the simplification, what we are getting? It's equal to we need to multiply it. So we need to take the simplification process here. It's 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 minus plus 6 minus 9 divided by 3. It's minus 3. 3 divided by 2 minus, plus 3. Now do the simplification. Now 9 divided by 2. We are doing the simplification. It's 9 divided by 2. Is it clear? And 9 divided by 2 is the right answer. Now it's option B. Solution for this question is option B. Okay. Now the one more question. It's the area between the parabola x square is equal to 8y and the straight line y is equal to 8. So it's a condition. Now the parabola, if you draw the parabola, what will be the equation? So this is the parabola. Is it clear now? So already we have completed the parabola equation, right? Okay. Here again the same, y square is x square is equal to 8y. The formula x square is equal to 8y, and it's equal to in the straight line. On the straight line, it will be y is equal to 8. So this is the region we need to identify, right? So this is the region we need to identify. So what about the value of y? What about the value of y? And if you substitute y is equal to 8, x is equal to, it varies from its x value. What about the y? It's plus 8, right? Either we need to identify the x limit or y limit. X limit or y limit. So we can take the x limits here. We can take the x limit. Its value minus 8 to plus 8. X is equal to minus 8 to x is equal to plus 8. So this is what they are giving, right? X square is equal to 8y and y is equal to 8. If you substitute the 8, x square is equal to 8 into 8 is equal to 64. And square, it's plus or minus 8. And it's plus or minus 8. So minus 8 to plus 8. So this is what we are getting. Now we need to substitute the y1 and y2 value here. y1 as plus y2. Now the area is equal to, it's minus 8 to plus 8. Then y1, it's x square divided by 8. y2, it's minus 8 into dx. It's x cube divided by 24 minus 8x. The same thing what we can write here, it's equal to 2 into integral of 0 to 8. It's an even function, right? X square is the even function. Now it's x square divided by 8 minus 8 into dx. Now we can write the value here, it's 2 into, it's 0 to 8. Now substitute the 8 there. While substituting the 8, what we are getting? Upper limit. The lower limit, it's obviously 0. And the upper limit, it's 8 cube. 64 into 8, 512. 512 divided by 24 minus 64. Now what will be the solution here? Area is equal to 512 divided by 24 minus 64 into 2. We are getting it's a 85.33. So this is what we are getting. 85.33 is the right answer. Is it clear now? So this is the area integrations. So we have completed the basics of the area integral in the previous video. So try to watch the previous video to get the clarification. And learners, once again the price hike is coming soon within 2 days, July 1 onwards. So try to take the subscription, and in these 2 days use the referral code MOORTHY536 to get the maximum discount in the Unacademy platform. In the July month, we are going to discuss the remaining topics from its basics through the YouTube live. And if you want to get the complete engineering mathematics from its basics, so take the plus subscription. There I am having the complete engineering mathematics